Respiratory substrates. Different types of respiratory substrates are there. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and sometimes organic acids also. So all these are food materials. So food materials are in different forms: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, organic acids. From these food materials, the organisms are getting energy, obtaining energy. So the common respiratory substrate is a carbohydrate. Common respiratory substrate. So mainly glucose. So in almost all plants and animals, the common respiratory substrate is carbohydrates or glucose. Next, the proteins, fats, organic acids, these are also participating in the respiration, or from these food materials are also the energy is derived. But here these proteins, fats, organic acids work like respiratory substrates in some specific certain conditions only. In certain specific conditions. So, your common respiratory substrate is carbohydrate or glucose, proteins, fats, organic acids. In some certain conditions only, these are acting as respiratory substrates. From these food materials, the energy is derived.